Next means of transport is airways. Air transport is the fastest means of transport. It is also the most expensive way of transport. The earliest type of aircraft were balloons and airships filled with hydrogen or helium gas. They were lighter than air. The real successful attempt to fly in the air was made by Wright brothers of America. In 1903, they made an aeroplane of canvas, wire, and sticks. It had a petroleum engine. They named it the Flyer. It flew to 12 seconds at a height of 3 meters and covered a distance of about 230 meters. It was the first real aeroplane made by man. See children, air transport is the fastest and expensive way of means of transport. Okay, the earliest type of this aircraft was that balloons and airship filled with hydrogen or helium gas. It was very light. That hydrogen and helium gas. No, it was very lighter than air. The real successful attempt to fly in the air was made by Wright brothers of America. That Wright brothers of America, no, they invented the this aircraft. Okay, that in 1903 they made an aeroplane from canvas, wire, and sticks. That it was running by petrol engine, and they named it as the Flyer. It flew for for 12 seconds and height of 3 meters, and it covered the distance of 230 meter. Whatever they made the Flyer, no, that was flew for 12 seconds and flew for a height of 3 meters and covered the distance of about 230 meters. That it was the first aeroplane made by the man. Modern aeroplanes move with the help of jet engines or propellers. Large planes can carry about 500 people and fly at a speed of 800 km per hour. Today, most cities in our country are connected by air service. We have both domestic and international flight services. Air India is the national airline of India. A number of other private airlines also offer services in India. India has more than 100 civil airports. Cargo planes transport letters, parcels, and perishable goods. See, modern aeroplanes, no, they move with the help of jet engines and propellers. Okay, jet engines or propellers. That propellers means that spinning blade that makes aircraft to move. That a large plane can carry 500 people, more than 500 people, and fly at a speed of 800 km per hour. Today, most of the cities in our country, no, they connected by air services. That most of the cities in our country, no, they are connected by the air service only. In that nowadays we are having domestic and international flight services. Domestic means inside our nation, and international means connect the airlines connect the airlines between the two nations. Okay, nowadays we are having domestic and international flight services. Air India is the national airline of India, and number of other private airlines also offer services in India, and that India has more than 100 civil airports, and cargo planes, no, they carries that letters, parcels, and perishable goods. Means perishable goods means the goods which will spoil soon, no, that perishable goods. Today, a large network of air route covers almost the whole world. The most dense air routes are in Western Europe and North America. Every day, millions of people travel to different parts of the world by air. Today, no, large network of air routes are covered almost all parts of the world, and most dense air route are we can find in Western Europe and North America. Daily that millions of people travel for the different parts of the world, okay, by air. That problems of increasing traffic. Advancement in transportation has also led to many problems. There is considerable congestion on the roads due to the large number of vehicles. They also cause air pollution. To reduce the number of vehicles on the road, the government are working to improve public transportation, such as introduction of a metro rail. If a public transport is fast and efficient, people will use it more instead of their own vehicle. Kolkata was the first city to have a metro, followed by Delhi, Bangalore, and Mumbai. It is being planned in the other cities also. See children, that advancement in the transportation that led for the many problems. Because of this advancement in the transportation, it leads to the congestion on the roads, and a large number of vehicles. Because of large number of vehicles, it leads to the air pollution. And to reduce the number of vehicles on the road, the government are working to improve the public transportation, such as metro rail. Okay, if a public transport is fast and efficient, if the public transport is fast and efficient, people can use more this public transport instead of their own vehicles, so that we can reduce the vehicles on the road. That Calcutta was the first city to introduce that metro, followed by Delhi, Bangalore, and Mumbai. It is being planned in the other cities also. To fight pollution, scientists are developing vehicles that run on a fuel which cause no pollution. CNG, compressed natural gas, is a fuel which produces very little pollution. It has been introduced in Delhi for buses and three-wheelers. See, to fight with pollution, that scientists are developing vehicles which are running by fuels, which cause for less pollution. That is compressed natural gas. The short form is CNG. It is a fuel which produce very less pollution. Okay, it has been introduced in Delhi for nowadays. It is using this CNG is introduced in Delhi for buses and three-wheelers. Okay, I hope you all understood this lesson. In this chapter, you learned about that invention of wheel and the revolution in the means of transport, that is roadways, railways, and waterways, airways, isn't it? And we learned about the problems of increasing traffic, etc., isn't it? So I hope you all understood this lesson.